Stock investing for beginners. Today I'm going to talk about 4 stocks that are about to report earnings this coming week. I'm going to show you how to differentiate between good stocks and bad stocks, or if I'm going to invest in these 4 stocks. And I'm going to show you how much I made the past week. And you can comment down below if you have any questions. Where you are watching from, what time is it right now? Comment down below. I make on March 25th, I make over 1,651. So that's pretty good. Not bad. That's just within one day. So on March 26th, let's see how much I made. 26th, I made over 4,000 in one day. Not bad. So on March 27th, I did not trade a lot on that day. So I made 288. And on Thursday, I did not trade at all. There's no gain, of course. I'm trying to cut down my time of trading. Now I'm traveling around the world. I spend about 1 to 3 hours a day, every day trading. So I'm trying to experiment strategies that's gonna cut my trading times by half. So possibly next year or at the end of this year, I may be trading only 2 or 3 days, maybe only 1 or 2 hours a week, and make twice as much. That's my goal. I want to make 2 times more than I'm making right now, and with half the time that I spent on trading. So I'm going to teach you if I'm able to successfully implement strategies that's going to reduce my trading time and have more fun. So on March 29 is Good Friday, so stock market was closed, so there was no profit. So only in 4 days, how much did I make? Close to 6,000. So it's not bad. 6,000 is not bad in 4 days. I use options trading, advanced option. S&P 500, it was did not change so much, only 0.23% past 5 days. So it means that the market is consolidating. So there's no bullish, no bearish, they are equalized. So that's why it did not move much. Nasdaq, similar, it did not move at all. Dow Jones, similar, it did not move at all. So these are the times advanced option is really good. So I use advanced option trading for this time. So probably I could see consolidation for some time in the next few weeks until earnings. The earnings are going to be reported at the end of April. So if the companies report really good earnings, then this is gonna be really good news for the next bullish momentum. If they report bad earnings, it could be bad, bearish, not so much of bearish, probably a pullback or consolidations, because there is so much cash sitting on the sidelines. So people want to get back into the stock market. I started basically I bought a lot of stocks in bear markets 2022, and I kept buying until 2023. Now I'm trying to reduce my buying. I don't really buy so much in 2024 because I already bought quite a lot of the stocks. Many of the stocks are probably fair value or overvalued, so I'm waiting for them to come down. So but lots of the investors who don't know stock investing, they miss out on the bull run 2022 and 2023. So every dip that you see here, they just kept buying. So there's another dip, they kept buying. Another dip, they buy. So I wouldn't see any big corrections or big crash. Of course, if there's a disaster or another COVID happen, then you will know that there's going to be a big crash. Then it's going to pull back again. Pull up again. So next week, we're gonna have some manufacturing PMI. So it's forecasted 52.5. So anything above 50 is expansion. Anything below 50 is contractions. So we are still expansion mode. So forecast 52.5. Previously it was 52.5. So let's see how much it's gonna come out to be. Factory orders, job openings, yeah, these data did not. I know that they're gonna move the market much, but yeah, federal governor, what they speak, gonna move the markets. President, San Francisco Fed President Mary, US auto sales, I suspect that it's gonna go down, especially Tesla. Tesla, the auto sales could go down because people are quite sensitive to inflations, and a lot of automakers, they need to cut prices to attract buyers. I don't think it's gonna move so much ADP. No, it's not gonna move the market. Jerome Powell, yes. On Wednesday, 12:10 p.m., Jerome Powell is gonna speak. So before Wednesday, possibly in Tuesday or Monday, the market could pull back a little bit. So that could be a good dip buy opportunity or a good time to use advanced options. And after that, if he's dovish or if he's bullish on the economies, yes, the stock market could take up again. If he's hawkish or if he changed his mind, so yeah, the market could tank a little bit or maybe more. And Thursday, yeah, everybody is start speaking a lot. Friday, non-farm payrolls. Last week it was 275,000. Forecast to be 200,000, so it's gonna drop. I don't think these data move the market at all. It's a FOMO, fear of missing out, and dip buy opportunities. So that keep the market in consolidation mode right now. So let's look at stock number 4. Play year to date is up 15.46%, but I believe that a lot of the restaurants gonna tank a little bit because of a lot of people stop going to the restaurant because of inflation or whatever, and food costs are really high. So it may dip a bit. Would I buy this stock? I look at 5-year trend. The first thing, if it beats S&P 500, yes. If it does not beat S&P 500, no, it doesn't beat S&P 500. S&P 500 is up 5 years over 81%. So if it's not at least 82%, I'm not interested. So this is a restaurant. You can play arcade games. You can have burgers, beers. Yeah, lots of investment if you want to open a restaurant like this. Stock number 3, BlackBerry is down 19.52%. So 5 years, let's see, it's down 70.39%. No, this is a gambling stock. You're gonna lose money for that. Remember, this company has been around since 1984. It doesn't mean that you should be investing in a company just because it has been in the business for a long time. They could just be losing money. It's just that sooner or later they're gonna go bankrupt. It used to be really popular. Remember this phone, BlackBerry? But then they could not compete with Apple and other smartphone. Not anymore. So yeah, unfortunately, yeah. So never think that, oh, if I buy this stock, hold it for long term, I'm not gonna lose money. No, look at that. It used to be over 140, close to 140 stock. Then it dropped. See, never think you will have lost lots of money in this stock. Long time. 148 was in 2008. 2008, more than 10 years. No, don't wait. Even if you sold it after the crash, or maybe you have a chance to recover a little bit, then you sold it again, you invest that money into stocks like Nvidia, you will have made a lot more than just waiting for the past 10 years for that. Of course, if you know how to use put option, this is good for put options trading. Stock number 2, Levi Strauss company, jeans company, are up year to date, up 22.94%. 5 years is not as good as you would think if you are just looking at year to date, 7.84% negative. So no, this is not an investment stock. But is it good for trading? Yeah, it could be good for trading. Look at that. Look at this. It's an uptrend. So if you believe uptrend is gonna stay intact, you can use call option or you can use stock trading. You can buy lots of stock at this price and then sell it after you get your profits or cut loss if it reverses its trend. So no, I'm not gonna buy. So I don't even need to look at it. Stock number 1. This is a company, Levi Strauss. Stock number 1 is Kura Sushi USA. Year to date up 57.28%. Would I invest in this stock? The past 5 years, it beats S&P 500. Yes, so it passed my first criteria. My second criteria, has it been in the business for at least 10 years? Look at that, 2008. Yes, it has been in business for at least 10 years. Third criteria, has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Look at Maxima. It started in August 2nd, 2019. So it's not 5 years yet. So it failed my third criteria. So I'm not going to invest in that stock. The fourth criteria, do I like this business? No, I don't like this business. Sushi, if something happens, everything closed down. And the food costs, there are so many things, labor costs that you need to think about. Competition, sushi is everywhere. You don't have to eat at this Kura sushi. So why would I? There is no economic moat. So why would I invest in this company? No. So if they don't pass my four criteria, I don't even need to look at my financial statements, balance sheet, or cash flow. No, I don't need to look at it at all. So this is how I analyze stocks. I hope you learned something. I'm sure you definitely learned something. If you are just starting out, you can open a stockbroker account anywhere. I provide some of the links for your easy reference. Click the link down below. You may get free stocks as a bonus. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next